Well, it was an active night right here in the Weather Center yesterday.
Yeah, your local weather authority spent hours tracking a number of storms, leaving 5 to 8 inches of rain behind.
Tonight, Durante Matthews talks with the local park district and shows us why the rain caused them to close a popular trail.
Where I'm standing right now is actually 4 feet below what the normal grade of this trail is supposed to be. But the heavy rain Wednesday night actually blew a 5-foot section of culvert, receding it into the ground.
With the amount of water that we had in a very short time, we have quite a bit of damage throughout our park system.
Damage including erosion, blown away asphalt, damaged harbors, destroyed trails, and more.
Anywhere where the creek has went out of its banks, it's destroyed the areas.
The heavy rain Wednesday showered inches of water throughout central Illinois, flooding homes, streets, and public grounds. Director of the Fond du Lac Park District, Michael Johnson, says although it's a hassle, they're used to rebuilding after natural disasters.
It's kind of a normal thing for us, but this was an abnormal rain event, so give us a little extra work to do.
Johnson says they'll spend the next 2 weeks on repairs and will try to get the river trails open in the first week. He says the most expensive thing about it will be dispersing man hours and overtime. In East Peoria, Durante Matthews, WMBD News.